of this course is a bit fun. So you can see we have this page of blog.php where we are showing our post. So first we have this category, then we have this name of Jazib. So I will apply the link on this name of admin so that the user can click on the name and read the bio of the admin. So for that, we need one page by which our admin can update his bio anytime he likes. So if I can show you real quick by going into my dashboard, so giving my username and password. So you can see we have this page of my profile. So in this movie, we will work on this page of my profile by which admin can update his name, his bio, his picture, things like that. So back to my editor, I'm gonna open my file of add new post and I'm gonna save this file as my profile.php. Now first of all, let's change its title. And also in the header section, changing the font awesome to FA-user and giving some margin to the right of 2. So if I save this one and refresh this page, you can see I'm here on my profile page. Now I will adjust the main area of this page. So this is the main area. You can see we have this row which is occupying the 10 column. So I will divide the main area into two parts. So the first part will be for 3 columns. So adding one div with the bootstrap class of call-md-3, and then we will have our second area. So first let's add the comment here. So this one will be left area and this one will be right area. Now making it to occupy rest of the call-md-9. So if I refresh my page, you can see we have this 9 column div and then we have something here. So let's first fill out this call-md-3. So I will have this card inside here and in which I will have class of card and then one div with the bootstrap class of card dash header, and its background will be dark and text will be light. And then we will have our h3 in which we will show the admin name. So for that I will echo the existing name of the admin who just logged in. So in order to get the existing admin who just logged in, if I can show you real quick by my login.php page, at the time of login attempt we made 3 variables. First one has the admin ID, second one admin username, and then admin complete name. So we already have this session user ID saved in this variable. In my myprofile.php file, right at the top, I will have this user ID that is stored in the session. So whenever the admin will log in, this page of myprofile.php will have one variable that will store the admin ID. So I will have this variable admin ID and that variable will be equal to our session of user ID. So right after that we can fetch our existing admin data. So adding our global connection and adding the SQL here. So our SQL will be select all the columns from my table of admins where the ID is equal to this admin ID. Then on the next line we will run this SQL, so adding variable stmt using database connection, calling the method of query, passing SQL here, and then on the next line we will have our while loop that will show us our data. So using this stmt object, call the method of fetch, and here I will create couple of variables. So the first variable will be existing name. So this variable will store the name of our admin. So if I can show you real quick, on my table of admins I have this field of a name that has the name of our admin. So I can put that one here. So let's add the comment here, fetching the existing admin data. So we will have only one record, so we don't have to iterate. So it will only bring the data of one person. So I put it right at the top. So now I can use this variable existing name in my code. So now going down, and here in my left area call md-3, I can put that admin name here. So adding PHP scope, and let's echo that name here. So if I save this one and refresh my page of my profile, see, now we have the admin name here, Zoe Bond, because this admin logged in, which activated this variable of session user ID, which I stored in admin ID variable. And I wrote this query that fetch that admin that has this ID in the ID column. Right after our card header, I will have another div that will be for card body, and inside this div I will have this image. So adding the image tag, and for now let's go to our images folder. So this is my images folder. I have this new image avatar.png. So for now I will put that image here, avatar.png, and this image will have the bootstrap class of block and img-fluid. Let's give it some margin bottom of 3. Then next we will have another div, and that will have some text. So adding some text here, random text. So if I save this one, refresh my page, see, we have this avatar, then we have this text. So the idea is we will have one form by which the admin can edit his name, his bio, and also his picture. So I added this information just to show you how it's gonna work. Now in the next movie we will work on this form by which our admin will be able to add the data in our table of admins.